by hoisting the sports flag. I request our chief guest, Dr. K. Keshav Rao Garu, to unfurl the flag. Here are the PEDs assisting him.
The school flag flying high has been unfurled, and now it's time for the sports flag to be unfurled.
Thank you, sir. May I now request you to declare the sports meet open.
With their chin up and chest high, the cabinet members march their steps and stride with pride as our chief guest, Dr. Keshav Rao Garu, takes the salute. Head girl, Michael, Deputy Head Boy, Shazor,
Manu Ganesh and Deputy Sports Prefect, Preksha Patel. Discipline Prefect, Vishwata. Cultural Prefect, Ishrat. Deputy Cultural Prefect, Nikhila. And the NIE reporters, Nausheen Jabbar and Sophia. Following the school contingent are the 4 houses being led by their captains and vice captains. Here come the first house, the Spartans, represented by the color red and inspired by their motto, setting new trends. Leading them are the house captains S. Aditya and Sai Ritika, and vice captains Anuj Reddy and Praneet Daniel.
परिश्रम के साथ अपने लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं. There comes the team Sunrise, led by sports captain Abbas and Rabia. With every step they take, they give a message that discipline and concentration is the key to their success. The squad march to the rhythm and beat, reflecting oneness of thought and unity in ideas and excellence. सादा विपदा की नैया को खेना है.
The house coming forward are the Trojans, represented by the color blue, and their motto is soaring high. Leading them are the house captains Abhiraj and Simran Arora, and the vice captains Vishal and Mari.
नीला आकाश एक पर्दे के समान झुका हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है. नीला रंग स्नेह, शांति, पवित्रता का परिचायक है. सत्यभाषी, धार्मिक, धैर्यवान. ये छात्र अपनी इन भावनाओं को मन तन से समर्पित त्याग, कोमलता, अनुराग तथा आत्मविश्वास के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. झुक जाता है नभ उनके कदमों पर यदि वे जिद पर अड़ जाएं. थम जाता है तूफान भयंकर भी कहते हुए अपने पथ पर आगे अग्रसर हो रहे हैं. House Knights coming forward right behind the Trojans. The flag bearers Raven and Sujit. Behind them with the placard is Ojaswini. Students here demonstrating readiness and preparedness in action and strong willpower. Fighters in their own way, they shine upon and prove they can do this in feat. Still something inspiring about the march past. Perhaps the sense of dignity and pride they bring to it. देश की सेवा आशावादी और हंसमुख है. अधीरता, जिज्ञासा को प्रेरित करके अपने माता, पिता, गुरु की सबकी आज्ञा का पालन करते हुए, कदम से कदम मिलाते हुए, अपने लक्ष्य की ओर अग्रसर होते हुए इन छात्रों के अपने मूल गुण से सर्वोत्तम स्थान भी प्राप्त किया है. चाहे कितनी ही आंधियां, कितनी भी मुश्किल आए, सबको पार कर आगे बढ़ने. A comprehensive march past spells out laying emphasis on bearing, marching and saluting. We definitely got to see it this afternoon and feed for our eyes and ears, coupled with stirring marching music. Very well done.
Our chief guest to kindly administer the oath to our flag bearers.
Take a walk to me now. You want to take the flag of our school, respecting the regulations which govern them and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and for the glory of sport.
The oath having been taken, now the flag bearers will deposit their flags. And may I request our chief guest,
परिक्रमा प्राण और शरीर चेतना इन तीनों का स्तर है।
The balloon being released.
सफलता पाना हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है। वह चले
representing the 4 R's of the
मैदान मधुर निर्झरने इच्छा शक्ति से उत्सव और आत्मबल का उदय होता है, जो आज यहाँ दिखाई दे रहा है। यह एक फूलों का गुलदस्ता है जहाँ रंग बिरंगे Mr. Vishwanath and Mr. Sudhakar, please.
Who is taking this?
The torch has been lit, and now depicts the passing of knowledge and positive values. The head boys, Nikit Reddy and Mohan Ashram, are running forward with the torch, blazing the trail behind as they fast approach and hand it over to the head girls, Sai Michaeli and Minu Suresh. बढ़ते आगे आगे चलते चलते पहुंचे मुकाम पर गाते गाते आए सारे योद्धा जुबान पर जिनकी दाता को हो शक्तिशाली हम प्रेरणा को दुआएं निष्ठा से मिलता मैत्री जो आगे बढ़ रही है अपने दल के साथ
Enviable stamina and strength. The proximity of the destination does not hinder their speed or spirit. And finally, they hand it over to Aways, sports captain DSC Manikonda, and Manu Ganeshan, the sports captain of DSC Attapur, who have now received it and running towards what a glorious sight to see. They run majestically towards with a lot of energy and enthusiasm.
खेलों का इतिहास अग्निदेव के समक्ष ज्योति को प्रज्वलित कर खेलों का श्री गणेश किया जाता है। यही परंपरा हमारे डीएससी के छात्र भी कर रहे हैं और स्वागत करें इस ज्योति का जो खेलों
Gusto and untamed spirit, they march on carrying a dream, the dream to reach the pinnacle.